It's changed for the shop. It's changed for the shop. I do want it. I'm buying something with it. I'm buying Dad's money. Dad, look, it's Dad. Dad, it's for the shop. Dad, come on, look. Look, I'm in your vlog, man.
Great news, I've got the Atari emulator running. I've got that all finished. It's looking good. Here's it on Windows 7. As you can see, it's running perfectly. There's a tiny bit of lag, but as you can hear, I've got the Akai up and running now. And I've got an old song up, almost pieced together. I've got to just get my floppy drive sorted out. I managed to get this gigabyte computer up and running. I've got a gigabyte motherboard with an SSD drive in there, if you can see it here. And it's running much better than this old HP. So I'm also going to try to use this for a live stream test as well. Oh, that's another thing as well. I do apologise about the last live session we had. It was a right mess. We couldn't even figure out what was going on. It was something to either do with the internet connection or it was to do with all the capture software and that. So I'm going to be running some sort of live tests and that in the background. Have a few tweaks, see if I can get the stream running solid before we actually upload it. Let me just stop this. Yeah, so that's really the plan, really, and I'll keep you guys posted. Sample wise, I've been pulling out quite a lot of good samples, which I'm going to be using for doing some more productions going forward and remixes, etc. There are some really cool findings, as you know, from the DAT archives as well. We've uploaded those, and just want to take the time to give you guys a quick heads up onto what's going on with the MIDI on this emulator. I've been using the Ultralight Mark III, which is here, but any sound card with MIDI would work totally fine. I've got this old gigabyte PC and it's running an SSD drive on the side there. I've just had to hot glue that on the side there because I've had nowhere to fit it. And let's see if I can get a bit of light over here so you can have a good look. Yeah, so move this out of the way. So I've yet to put a SCSI card in there, still to go. I've also got to put a decent sort of floppy lead, because the floppy lead for the gigabyte drives are a little bit different. So I'm going to have to get one of them. As you can see, I've got the Akai set up there. Found an arrangement and I've just sort of piecing it together, archiving from floppy, and I've got, here's the Cubase emulator that you can see here. It's not Cubase emulator, but it's like a Atari emulator, and I've got my Atari down here, but I wasn't able to get that going yet because I need a decent mouse for it. So in the meantime, it's a lot easier as well because I don't have Cubase for this, so it's a lot easier for me to just run the emulator because the emulator is pretty much there now. I'll give you a little touch on what I've got running so far. Absolutely rolling. And this is all emulated on Windows 7. Can you believe it or not? Needs a little mixed up. And I've got to find all the other samples. I recently found a really cool way to put my USB hubs sort of on the side of my desk. So I basically got a little hot glue gun. You just literally plug it in and the glue comes out, and it doesn't actually cause any sort of damage to anything. It will just stick once it cools down slightly. So you heat it up and it's like a kind of a chewing gum substance that's really hot, and you literally just press it on and it will stick on the side. So I found a really cool place to put all my USB hubs, which is literally at the side of my desk. Excuse all the wires, folks. Just literally tidying up. Look, I've got my camera charger, which I've got on the side of the desk. So when I plug it in, it will just start charging.
Dad always has time. Hello, YouTube.
So guys, back on this little retro thing, yeah. I found this demo tape, which is one of the originals that Mark Caro sent to me, and this is the Death Trip demo tape that kind of I heard and signed Mark Caro to Brain. I'm going to have a little listen to this tape, and I've also got many other tapes as well lying around that I'm thinking of some sort of archive there's any interest on it. Check out some old artwork there. That was the old, look at that Kryptonite tape. It's an old rave that we had. There's a production tape, 96. Jungle Guidance EP. Interesting. So, but the thing is, the quality is not going to be that great because they're all on tape. But I'm pretty sure they're worth a listen. I'm pretty sure, you know, let me know if you think this stuff is worth, you know, some of these tapes are worth a listen. Wicked Beats, Blank TDK 90, London Dance, says London, that's that London from London Dance, used to play for London Dance. Shout to Royston, USA Mixed, oh look, USA Mixtape, DJ Sparks, I remember him, used to engineer for him, cool dude. Revelation, look at that. That's one. That's mix it up, whatever. Revelation, my first track on a demo tape. Gave that demo out to so many people. Didn't get signed up. Dark Moments demo. I'm gonna check out some of this stuff. All in the Room 89. Wow. So yeah, folks, comment down below. And let me know if you'd be interested in hearing some of these old tape archives.
And I would love you to be there for Christmas.
There with the brother Mark.
What up?
Gatwick Airport. Big up.
Look, come on. Dad. See this is what he does. He don't want to put 25 quid in my account when I give him the change. See, look, this is more of my pocket money and he don't want to put it in my account. Dad.